Hey, it's Aaron from ipXchange. We're at Embedded World 2024. I'm talking to Eric from Reflex CES, and they've got a lot of FPGA boards on display. So, Eric, can you tell us a bit about Reflex CES first, and then we'll zoom in on a product you'd like to highlight?
Sure. Reflex CES in an high-end FPGA design house, designing boards and embedded systems. We design product for several key markets. High-end industrial, so instrumentation, bioscience, could be also scientific instrumentation like quantum computing, and also defense and security. Radar systems, electronic warfare.
Nice. So in terms of kind of quantities of each board, do you like ship them en masse for a certain project, or is there kind of a design in part that Reflex offers as well?
Yeah, sure. So we offer different options. So obviously, 2/3 of the activity is full custom development. So we do the development as well as the production. But we do offer also what we call COTS. So they are product on the shelf, like those ones. So system on modules is a good option for a customer to take our module to de-risk a very latest technology of FPGA. So the latest technology from Intel, Aletra, and AMD Xilinx, and also design his own carrier board. So for example, here, we're just releasing the Xilinx 7 system on module. This is a very powerful module for data acquisition and processing, and using the Xilinx from Intel. And we have a couple of other options. The ARIA 10 module, a lot used in instrumentation and bioscience, which has been released in 2016, and really the best seller from Reflex CES.
Oh, nice.
We're basically shipping thousands of modules per year.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And the Zinc UltraScale Plus module here, which is also very popular on the market, and using a carrier board where you can interface and prototype a lot of different applications. Especially, you can plug analog front-end daughter card together with the module.
Cool. So in terms of if an engineer was to approach you, what would kind of be the perfect project size and application for your typical boards? Yeah,
we are really a very flexible company, so we can design full turnkey from few prototypes to series of hundreds units.
Nice.
And they are really complex boards, so usually the sweet spot is to deliver around 20 to 200 units. And we can accommodate small project or large project as well.
Nice.
Since the company is 100 people, but around 60 people are the R&D resource.
Oh, cool.
So we do handle around maybe 25, 30 projects per year.
Cool. Nice. And obviously here we're looking at hardware. Do you do any of the software part for the customer as well, or can you? Yeah, sure.
So we can develop based on specification, full firmware and software. But basically with the board we do deliver what we call the low-level layer, working with the hardware to be able to wake up the hardware.
Excellent.
So that's what we call the board support package, the BSP, firmware and software.
Cool.
I think maybe we can make a special highlight on the Xilinx 7 module.
Cool, yeah.
Because that's basically the latest silicon release from Intel, Aletra now. And that module has got a lot of processing power, a lot of I/O, and also what we call transceivers, high-speed link, where you can run the GSD 204B or C. So that standard is used, for example, to connect the high-speed converters. You can interface analog device, TI, Teledyne, E2V converters. And such architecture are used for medical application, but also in defense, for radar systems, electronic warfare.
So very, very versatile.
Yeah, very high-end, latest technology, and basically for the people who would like to have the leading edge and the latest features from the industry.
Cool. So in terms of working with Reflex CES, is your ability to source these high-end FPGAs probably a big highlight to work with you? Yeah, sure.
So we are a company where we need to be in touch with the key strategic suppliers. So they are obviously the people making the FPGA, but also we are using high-end technologies like DRAM. Even the power supply is very key. So we are in touch with the key suppliers. We supply the bill of material.
Oh, okay.
And we do the production. That's basically our business model, is to combine the R&D and the production.
Okay.
And basically to help the customer to go through all the life cycle up to the EOL, the end of life.
Oh, okay, good.
So most of the products are guaranteed for the next 10 to 15 years. And we migrate the bill of material if there are any components which are end of life, in order that at the module level, the customer can still continue to use it.
Nice. I think that's a really good place to end, and that is exactly the kind of answer I wanted for that. So thank you so much,
Thank you,
Eric.
So much. Thanks for coming.
I look forward to writing a bit more about this module here, and check out Reflex CES.